JPMorgan and Goldman Sachs, the big banks kicking off earnings season, which we're, of course, looking forward to very much as well. But you're going to get closing highs across the board for all three of the major averages.
I didn't spoil it.
Let it settle. Let it settle. We're right at the number.
3 record closing highs. Welcome back to Closing Bell. I'm Sarah Eisen, along with Scott Wapner, who is in today for Wilford Frost. We're watching the Dow carefully because any close above 35,000, it looks like we're right there. I think Wilford would say bang on 35,000. First time ever for the Dow. It's a milestone. I did whip out the Dow 35K hat.
I spoke too soon.
Thought it was a jinx. Not so fast. There you go. Goldman Sachs, the biggest contributor to the Dow gains today. Disney, UNH, and JPMorgan. I'm here with Scott, of course, Wapner, and Mike Santoli, CNBC senior markets commentator. Take a look at how the major averages finished up the day. Very strong. There's the S&P up 0.3%. Most sectors were higher. Financials were the best performers. Communication services and real estate also up almost 1%. Staples and energy lagged. So did technology. It did close higher, and we got a record close on the Nasdaq, up 0.2%, thanks to new highs in names like Google, Alphabet, Facebook was higher. Tesla actually led the triple Qs. Apple underperformed today, and so did Microsoft. So kind of a mixed bag in technology. The Russell 2000 pretty much flat on the day. Coming up, famed portfolio manager Bill Nygren on the sectors and stocks that he thinks are ready to break out. First up, on this record closing high day, Nancy Tengler from Tengler Investments is still with us. Pivotal Advisor CEO and CIO Tiffany McGee joins the conversation. Welcome back, Tiffany, though we will first send it to you, Mike, to walk us through what happened today. Bond yields were a little firmer, the dollar was a little firmer, and the stock market continued to make new highs.
Yeah, I really still think we're feeding off of what happened late last week to some degree, where it was another one of these little mini scares. Each one seemed shallower than the one that came before. And until you basically said maybe there was not much of anything to worry about. Bond yields coming off the lows were a big deal. 1.25 was the low from last week. We got through 2 Treasury auctions today, significant ones. And I think that if you had the list of things you had to be alert about this week, that was the first 2 things that you had to get through and make sure the bond market was going to absorb that and not have massive rallies after. So there you go. And that's mostly at, again, 43.84 on the S&P is almost precisely a double the intraday low from March of 2020.
Tiff, so how do you see it now? We're heading into earnings season, right? Nasdaq's been leading. Where's it going?
Yeah, so I think the environment is really conducive to stocks continuing to go higher. Again, we have these, sub-conversations, tech growth versus, value. I'm really excited to kind of see what the banks deliver tomorrow. Like most people, I'm expecting positive things. JPMorgan and Goldman report tomorrow. But I have that in kind of like the value category, right? So, thinking about this from like an overall portfolio construction standpoint, because I think that we have to be thinking about this. I don't think that investors can just solely look at one stock, 2 stock, or just equities in general. I'm looking at, how you diversify this portfolio, because, of course, that protects you on the downside. But we're looking at, I love my growth, right? And I love my tech. So we've always been invested in those things. And, of course, growth, right? So growth has had this great, time, this kind of great run for the past few weeks. I think like around 5 weeks. But we're, we also, and something I really don't talk about as much, we also are invested in value. And so our value plays are our banks plays, right? And so we like stock appreciation, right? We like when those prices go up, but we also like total return. So we like those dividends as well. So I'm expecting good things. Again, and you were talking earlier, Scott, about earlier on, on your earlier show, you were talking about correction. And so, yeah, we have not had an official correction. We've not had a pullback of over 4%, I think, since February 2020. But there is nothing that says in the rule book, there's no rule book that says that we have to have one. And so, I'm cautiously on the side, but I'm also positioning portfolios just in case there's a little bit of a downturn. That's an opportunity for me to kind of swoop in and buy the things that I love.
So Tiffany mentioned banks, Nancy, financials as her value play. Are banks still a good value? They're certainly not as cheap as they were a year ago, but relative to the overall market, I guess you could make that case. Where are you on the valuation there?
So, Sarah, we're overweight the financial sector, but we're actually underweight banks. Though I should point out that we do own Goldman and JPMorgan, and Goldman's in our 12 best ideas portfolio. But we think there are better places to be. We want to own companies. I love the intermission analogy that Mike Mayo gave, but we want to own companies that have pricing power and will benefit from improving productivity. So just take a look at Disney, which, is also in our 12 best ideas portfolio. But if you just look at it, X the news today, this is a company that's raising prices at their parks. They are back to full capacity with 15,000+ employees versus 32,000 pre-pandemic, all because they digitized a great majority of the client experience. So those are the kind of names. I mean, Disney's done nothing. It's dramatically underperformed the market year to date. But we think in here, you want to take a look at the stock and just continue to pick away at it, because we think they have all the things you need in this environment: pricing power and improving productivity. I don't get that so much with the banks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.